Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has decided to update the list of hardware that is actually compatible with Windows 11. And no, don't think that they've added hardware that was unsupported. None of that has changed. The minimum requirements are staying the same. So, of course, that means that you have to have a 8th generation or later type CPU or a Ryzen 2 or superior, or that doesn't change. So if you are wondering, well, maybe I'm going to go look if my system is now supported, don't waste your time. The system minimum requirements have stayed the same. What has been done, though, is that the type of hardware has been simply updated to actually show compatibility with newer graphics GPUs, newer CPUs from the AMD side with new Ryzen and also new Intel. And all of that is mostly, an updated list. Somebody told me, so, well, are they updating because they're adding older hardware? It ain't happening. I don't think it will ever happen. That is now, if it had to change, if that minimum requirement had to change, it would have been done in, a long time ago. Now we're more than a year and a half into Windows 11, minimum requirements staying the same. And once again, also talking of minimum requirements, those minimum requirements we think are also showing up for people that, might think about the Windows 12. We know that Windows 12 will have its own minimum requirements. We also think that Windows 12 might have some minimum requirements that would include not mandatory but optional, probably include a some form of artificial intelligence chip of some sort. One of the things also that we've learned about Windows 12 in the minimum requirements is that Windows 12 seems that Microsoft is doing a big push to try to have a Windows 12 operating system that would run well on an ARM processor, which is a different type of processor. ARM processors are typically what runs your smartphone. Well, for a big chunk or a big part of the smartphone out there, ARM is what's running the CPU, what's running the operating systems. It's a little bit in that direction, a variation of ARM processors made by Apple itself that is running on the M1, M2 chips on Apple Macs. So Windows 12, could that make the break? Finally, that ARM processors will be there. That's going to be interesting to see. So, yeah, updated list, mostly of new hardware, because there's always new hardware out there. But no change in minimum requirements for those that have been asking. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.